Gaming industry is getting bigger and better day by day. And yes, if you have ever thought to start your own channel or maybe start your own website or maybe jump into the gaming, then this video is perfectly for you, because in this video I'll show you how you can generate nearly around 1k dollars every single day. Yes, this is so easy. And yes, in the whole video I'll show you the proofs how you can do the same, and people are doing the same work and they're earning, and nearly around the earning of the month it will be 30k or above. And that means per day you will be generating 1k approximately with the help of these strategies. And this video will be a little bit longer, but make sure you watch the full video, because this will be you can consider this as a mini tutorial or mini course. And yes, you will get a lot of value throughout the video if you watch the whole video. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and different other cool ways by which you can generate huge amount of money with the help of different strategies, different process, and different ways. So make sure you people subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also watch the full video so that you can get the whole amount of value. So without making delay, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you the strategies and how you can implement those strategies into work and you can earn good amount of money. Alright guys, now I'll show you how you can generate more than $1,000 per day with the help of a single gaming channel. Okay, before going ahead and just show you step by step process, I can tell you this will be very good opportunity if you start it from today. Because if you just lose after 2 months, or if you just lose 3 months from now after knowing the strategies also, it won't work, because you have to take action on immediate basis to get the best results done from this strategies. Okay, so guys, you people know the gaming industry is growing day by day, and huge people are enrolling and people are earning huge amount of money with the help of gaming. So if I talk about some historical data, and and most important part, data is a thing by which we can evaluate and being a guy of internet marketer, you have to always go through the data, because the data is the proven things. Data driven strategies are always correct. If I talk about Clash of Clan games, you can see the curve. The curve has started on May 2013, and it was the best time to start a gaming channel or gaming niche related products. Especially if I talk about Clash of Clan, and the starting date was approximately August or September of 2013, and after that you can see that peak has been grown, and after that it has automatically saturated. And the same thing goes for every single game. If I talk about another game, that is PUBG, the started time of the PUBG is almost nearly around, if I talk about the curve, rising curve, it's nearly around 9th November or December of 2017, and after that it went to the curve, and yes, it is still on rising path. Yeah, that means the highest time of the starting work for PUBG, that is on November or December of 2017. If I talk about another game, that is Fortnite, the starting time of the game, if I talk about the strategies when we can run, when we can see some game or some product is growing in the market, and yes, you can see as Clash of Clan, it has raised, and after some time it has gone decreased. In the same way, the same thing happens with same thing will happen with PUBG and Fortnite as well, because it cannot, the gaming industry, if we talk about any kind of particular games, it is not there for the whole for long time. They have some saturated time, they have some business time, and after that it won't get that much visibility. In the same way, what is the strategy, what I'll show you in the whole video, make sure you people watch the complete video so that you can get exact step by step process what I am going to mention all over the video. Okay, so the game what I am talking about, that is Apex Legends. Yeah, Apex Legends, if I talk about the data, the game has launched in last 90 days, last month, And if I talk about the data of last 90 days traffic, it is going to be the next level game, because it has been launched last month. And yes, I have written, I went through some of the wiki and data, and yes, they are investing huge amount of money the same way they are investing in PUBG and Fortnite, and the same way Apex Legends is a huge, it is going to be huge in next couple of months. Okay, so like how you can generate money, as I said, you have to catch the peak time. This was the peak time for Clash of Clans. This is the peak time for PUBG. This is the peak time for Fortnite, and now is the peak time for Apex Legends. You have to understand the peak time and how games are increasing and how market is increasing. Right. So what you have to do for that, if I talk about in any kind of game channel, if I talk about gaming channels, top gaming channels, and I can see all the people who are doing who are into the gaming channel, is these are all about communities, right? So community in the sense, the people, you don't have to create videos or games for this particular channel. You have to build a community. You have to leverage YouTube with the topic. If you just if you are interested in gaming, but yes, in Apex Legends, you can earn with the help of this game and these videos, you can earn huge amount of money. I'll show you the example as well. And if I talk about the strategies, what maximum strategies of gaming channels, these are all communities. And yes, understand one thing guys, YouTube is also a community, and yes, people are earning with the help of community. Now what is community? Like for example, if I talk about any kind of gaming channel, let's say I have opened one channel, that is Red Arcade. Okay, so they are not creating videos. So this channel has nearly around 3.3 millions of subscribers, and they are earning huge amount of money. How they are earning? So in every videos of their, if I talk about any of the video, so as I said, this is a community, and they are collecting videos, they are collecting screenshots or maybe video or the screen records from the players who are playing this particular game. So this is a random channel, what just to understand how they are earning, how these channels are earning. So I just did some R&D before creating this video, and I found this is so easy, you don't have to do anything. Okay, and this video is very powerful if you take step-by-step actions according to my words. Okay, so as I said, this is the community of Red Arcade, and this is also a very popular game in US and Canada. So I'm just opening any of the random game, and yes, you can see submit your Fortnite falls or wins, and they have given their website link. This is so easy, and you can simply ask to your fans that submit your videos or submit your anything. Maybe if you are creating a channel regarding Apex Legends, you can just ask them, submit your best Apex Legends videos to our channel, and we will publish on our channel. See, this is the very important, and this is so amazing. People will play, people will give you the screenshots or maybe video shots or anything. People will give you the data, you have to upload on your channel. And yes, this is so simple. If I talk about Red Arcade, and this is the simple principle what every single gaming channels are using. Everyone, maximum of 90% gaming channels are using the same funda or same strategies. How you can, this is the very easiest way, right? And you don't have to create videos, you have to just collect videos from various of subscribers, various of fans, and you have to just make them a collab. After 10 or 12 minutes of video, after creating 10 or 12 minutes of video, you can just simply upload on your channel. And this is how people are doing. If I talk about this particular channel, he has, as I said in this video link, he has given the link of his website, and he has also mentioned submit your video clip. This is so amazing, you don't have to do the work. People who are playing, who are interested on that particular game, they will do the work, and you have to upload them for you. That's all that you have to just upload, simple thing, right? So as I said, if I go to this particular website just to check what they have created, how they have created, so this particular website is single page website and you don't have to do anything, right? See, there is no navigation bar, nothing, simple single one page website, and they have given just simple one button, that is to submit the video. That's all what you have to do. This is so easy and you don't have to worry for that. Okay, so now how you can do that? In order to get the work started, so if I talk about any other channel, so I have this is one of the channel what I was going through, and the growth rate of the channel, I am amazed. Okay, so the guy, he is just started. If I have just checked when the channel has started, and yeah, I'll show you. The first thing, the guy has dated added. Yeah, the guy, he has created this video, first video on last month. Okay, so somewhere in February I have seen, just I'll show you to you people also, when the guy has started his channel. This is all about Apex Legend, and the same way you also have to do. Okay, so this is the first video, as I have opened his first video, and yes, this is the first video. Let's let us talk when the guy has started his channel and when the guy has first uploaded his video. The guy has uploaded on 5th of February. Okay, so today is today's date is 1st of April, and the guy has started this channel on 5th of February, and you can see 89k subscribers. Okay, so if I talk about how much he's generating, I am on the Social Blade. Social Blade is a site where anyone can see how much videos he has uploaded and how much revenue any YouTube channel is growing. So now you can see here itself, the guy has created the Gmail ID, and he has created created Gmail ID on 4th of February, and he has uploaded this video on 5th of February, right? And he has uploaded only 54 number of videos, and you can see subscriber is nearly around 90k. This is so easy. So now let's see how many people are signing up per day. You can see the growth rate of this channel, more than almost 1.8k, 2k, then 2k, almost 1.8k. Yeah, nearly around, in an average, the guy is generating a subscriber rate of 2000. Okay, and how much the guy is earning per day? This, if we talk about the estimate, this is the estimate of Social Blade. So the guy is earning nearly around 125 to 2k per day. But yes, this is not accurate. According to me, according to my previous history of my different other channels, the revenue is nearly around middle what is showing in Social Blade. So somewhere you can guess the guy is earning 1k per day, minimum to minimum. It can be more, it can be up to 2k or more than that, because gaming niche advertisers are paying very high, and yes, people are earning huge amount of money with the help of gaming channels, right? So if I talk about daily average and or last 30 days, so in last 30 days he has generated, as per Social Blade data, it might be incorrect, but yes, it is not exactly incorrect. The correct data is approximately in middle, whatever it is showing. So suppose they are earning approximately 4k to 61k per month. So you can assume the guy is earning middle almost 30k per month. Approximately, you can say, simple thing, with the help of 54 videos, the guy is earning 1k per day. This is so simple, and this is what you have to do. So now, how you will get the data, how you will get the videos initially when you are starting your YouTube channel like this. So for that, we have a website that is called as twitch.tv. Guys, those people who doesn't know what is this website, like in for example, for Google, they have a YouTube is their video streaming platform. In the same way, twitch.tv is a video sharing platform of Amazon. So even I heard some of the news that twitch.tv is going to change or going to become the competitor of YouTube as well. So let's see, we'll decide what will be going to the future. But anyways, we will use this website and for video sharing, for to get our videos of our game footage initially when we are starting the starting the YouTube channel, because we don't have any subscriber base and we cannot collect the data, we cannot collect the video footage like these people are doing. Like they are just generating money by helping, by gathering the video clips of different other YouTube subscribers who have subscribed to them. Okay, so this way, so how you can do, you can simply go to twitch.tv, and after that you can just simply type your keyword. Suppose I am just typing Apex Legend and I got some of the videos. Okay, so let's see if I open a video. So these are all videos what is Apex Legends has. And yes, so you can simply play any of the video, and if you go, you will get one share button, and here you will get video link. Okay, and you can simply copy the video link and you can download with the help of different websites, maybe Clipper or maybe a Safe from Net. These are all simple free websites, you can download any videos. Alright, this is not the concern. Apart, if you face any issues to download these videos from twitch.tv, you can simply use maybe YouTube also. From YouTube, if you go to YouTube, if you search for anything like Apex Legends, and you will get lot of videos. Maybe you can use the Creative Commons. If you just go to any of the search term, and after that if you click on Creative Commons, you will get all the videos what is under Creative Commons license, and yes, you won't get any kind of copyright strike. This is so simple. The guy, he has created, as I already told you, I have selected the Creative Commons, and I have, after that I can see this particular video, the video has got 1 million views in just 6 days, and this video is under Creative Commons license. You can use the same videos. So understand one thing guys, those videos which are already in trending, those videos which are getting much more number of views, maybe these are all proven videos, right? So you have to use this kind of videos, and after that you can simply generate huge amount of money. So guys, understand, the whole concept is picking the right time. So this is the high time, and you have to make huge amount of videos. I mean, not exactly huge amount of videos. You have to start work, and you have to create a website like this, and you have to collect videos from your fans, and yes, after that you will be able to generate huge amount of money. This is so simple, and for that you don't have to work really hard. You have to simply work smarter. And if you are a person who doesn't know how to create a website, this is a Bluehost, and you will get free domain, free SSL certificate, and yes, the hosting price is nearly around $4 per month. That is pretty cheap, and yes, with the help of drag and drop tool, because they are providing one-click installation of WordPress. With the help of drag and drop tool, you can simply create website like this. And yes, the creating website in Bluehost with the help of WordPress, it's like it's a very simple thing, right? And yes, if you don't have any idea also, if you watch some of the videos how to create a website in WordPress, you will get tons of videos on YouTube. I hope I was able to give a clear vision of Apex Legends and how you can generate good amount of money with the help of small YouTube channel, as I have showed you and in the video. And you can earn huge amount of money because the game is in trending. And yes, you have to understand those people who are already doing the same thing, they are just utilizing the trending features of different thing. And yes, this game has been launched in last month, maybe in February, and yes, it is going to be very popular. And the gaming company, the company of Apex Legends, they are investing huge amount of money in promotions and in development of the game. So of course it will be growing every month. And yes, you have to start the work from today itself, because if you don't take action, some other people will take action, and you will be losing the opportunity which comes almost in a once in a year. This is going to be biggest revolution of 2019 in gaming industry. And yes, you have to, as I have shown you, you have to understand what is the opportunity, what is the chances, and how you can do the same by using some strategic works. And yes, if you are follow all the steps what I went through in the whole video, it will work for you as well. So if you have any other concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And yes, make sure you people subscribe to my channel, because I create such an amazing videos like this. And yes, if you have any other concerns, you can reach me out on Instagram as well. I'll try my level best to help out you, help out whatever I have, whatever knowledge I have. I'll try my level best to share with you, so that you also can generate good amount of income at the end of the month. So thank you so much, have a great day.